Hello, this is our Big 6 lesson conclusion. This is Miss Hanisco, your school librarian, and this video is to conclude our lesson today over the Big 6 research model. The purpose of today's lesson was for you to learn the steps of the Big 6 research model to help you successfully complete your upcoming research project in class. You have been provided with a handout, and on your handout, it breaks down the steps for you and tells you exactly what each step is so that you can use this as you research in case you forget what to do next. This will help guide you. There are some additional resources down here, and these resources will give you more insight into the steps. It will show you some graphics. There is also a video down here, a YouTube video that will give you some more information. It is not one of the videos that was in the lesson. This is a different one in case you need it explained in a different way. So that's your handout. And so for step 1 is task definition. So this is where you are going to figure out what the actual question is and decide what types of information will help you answer it. So what type of information do you need? So you're going to ask yourself, what does my teacher expect me to do? Do I understand what I need to do? What are some questions that I need to answer? And what do I need to know about this topic? What do I need to communicate about this question? For step 2, this is your information seeking strategies. So this is where you're going to decide, you're going to figure out which sources will have what you need, and you're going to select the best ones. So where do you need to look for information? Are you going to need fiction sources? Are you going to need nonfiction sources? Are you going to need primary source documents that you'll have to find in a database? So for this step, you are just going to figure out, where can I start to look for information? Is there a person I can talk to get information? And what are the best types of sources to use to answer this question? So for step 3, this is location and access. This is where you are going to actually choose your resources. You're going to find resources that answer the questions. You're going to find information in those resources that answers your question. So you're going to locate an article, then you're going to scan through and decide, is this going to answer my question? And you're going to pick the best sources. So step 4, use of information. Once you've chosen your sources, you're going to read the source or view it if it's a video, and you're going to read those sources and view those videos and decide which sources are you going to use, which sources have the information that you need to answer your question. For step 5, this is for synthesis. And this is where you are going to put all of the information together in an organized way. So you're going to start with an outline and organize all of the sources. You're going to then actually write your paper. You're going to put all of that information together and write your paper in an organized way. The last step is step 6. It's evaluation. So you are going to think about the paper that you wrote. Did you answer the question? Did you write the project in a way that is going to be able to be understood? Did you organize it well? You're also going to think about the process of researching. Was it effective? Did you use your time wisely? Is there anything that you would do different next time? Did you learn something from this process? So those are all 6 steps. And now that you have learned about the Big 6, you should be able to use these 6 steps to break down and organize your research process. This will allow you to make the task more manageable and be more successful with this project and projects in the future. Happy researching!